My fellow Canadians, I ask you, please, do not fear the stock market. If you asked the average Canadian what they thought of the stock market or how it worked, you might get a series of reactions ranging from too scary for me to it's rigged to the guys on Wall Street to yeah, I watch the Dow Jones all the time. Our country's knowledge on this great mystery of wealth creation ranges from non-existent to misinformed, with only a sprinkling of true understanding. It shouldn't be too surprising, especially when you ask the average high school student if they've taken a course on investing or saving for the future. You'll find the answer to be almost universally no. Team Moir believes an educated partner is our best asset. In this section of videos, we hope to educate you, our partners, and partners-to-be, about the stock market, in the hope that you can feel more confident and informed about making investment choices in the future. Team Moir believes that most investors' fear of the stock market stems from a misunderstanding of the opportunities it can provide for the average person to create long-term wealth. We believe that our best asset is an educated partner, because once you, the client, understand the true nature of becoming a shareholder or stakeholder of a great company, you will no longer fear the black box of the stock market. A stock market is a collection of companies from varying industries representing a given population or geography. One example of this is Standard & Poor's Toronto Stock Exchange, commonly known as the TSX. On each business day, exchange members and their brokers meet to exchange and trade shares back and forth between those who wish to buy and those who wish to sell. In either case, for a myriad of reasons. Originally, these transactions took place in person, but are now consummated electronically. Throughout the day, the activity of these transactions is tracked, aggregated, and represented as an index. This is what you see reported on the news. The TSX Composite represents approximately 300 of the largest and most active stocks trading on the Toronto Stock Exchange, while the S&P 500 represents the 500 largest and most active stocks trading on the New York Stock Exchange and NASDAQ stock exchanges. Finally, the Dow Jones Industrial Average represents 30 stocks selected by a group of individuals who use their own opinion to form a basket of companies they believe is representative of all companies doing business in the United States. Not only are these indices considered on a daily basis, but they are measured in some cases for over 100 years of activity. However, in the end, they're simply real companies doing everyday business and a representation of what their stakeholders are willing to sell shares in these businesses for and what prospective owners are willing to buy them for. It is this transition between bricks and mortar businesses, employing regular people, executing business strategies and plans, and stock market indices where most people begin to get lost and start to become leery and mistrusting. I ask you again, please, do not fear the stock market. I hope you found this conversation of ours comforting. If you would like to learn more, please access our video library. Good luck and happy investing.